the credit for all this, the person who initiated this, who guided us, supported us, is Mr. Neeraj Vora ji, our beloved brother. तो ये इन्होंने पहल की, और सिर्फ बात हेरा फेरी की नहीं है, इन्होंने पहल हेरा फेरी से की, बट उस पिक्चर से उन्होंने एंटरटेनमेंट एंड मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में बताया कि कॉमेडी एक होती है और ह्यूमर एंड विट अलग होता है. तो हेरा फेरी, आवारा पागल दीवाना, दीवाने में पागल, वेलकम, these are not comedy movies. These are movies with the wit and humor. There's a world of a difference between comedy movies and humor. And that is why we decided to identify our efforts as a family universe. Because in a family universe, product a movie which you can see with the family. And for that, you have to be extra sensitive and careful that there should be no double meaning dialogues. The dresses of the women are with a decency and modesty. There should be action, thrill, but no blood and violence. So there are various factors. Any cinema which you watch, which is comfortable to watch with your family, is what is attributed as a family universe. My father's company, and that what he's been kind enough to pass on to us. We've always been very conscious of the fact that our cinema should be something which is family oriented. That's why the word family universe. Under family universe, you can make romantic movies, action movies, horror movies, supernatural movies, cop movies like we made Aan before, or spy movies. But any movie which is within the parameters of a family audience. So Neeraj ji helped us, guided us and supported us to walk that path. He charted that route for us, and we were blessed to have Neeraj ji. So I give the entire credit for whatever we have learned from him and whatever we have been able to offer from our side to the cinema industry at large. The entire credit goes to Neeraj ji. And then that credit also is equally shared by Paresh Rawal ji, Akshay ji, Sunil ji. These are people who have been constantly there in all forms of support, moral support, creative support, every aspect of help and support of guidance. Paresh bhai for us is more of an elder brother in spirit, in effort. So for me, Paresh bhai is a superstar for me as number 2. But first, he's my elder brother. Always there. And he's there in times of difficulty. He's not there for good times. He's the king of times when we are in any form of doubt or concern or worry. He comes and he's a silent support and a solid support. Likewise, even Akshay ji and even Sunil ji. So we are a team and we stand with each other. And I've been fortunate and blessed to work with Paresh ji since 1987. It's almost 40 years now. Akshay ji and our relation goes back to 96. Anna, that is Sunil ji, we've been friends with him since early 90s. So these are relationships which have developed, matured over decades. And we are still as it is. And hopefully for a few more decades, as long as we all live, we'll keep nurturing these relationships in all aspects. So each of these gentlemen's contribution, we are blessed to have Neeraj ji, Paresh bhai, Akshay ji, Sunil ji. It's a team. And all kinds of cinema that we aspire, even in the future what we are planning, it's primarily first with these 3 people. And we discuss and we plan. परेश भाई के साथ बॉन्ड जो है हमारा जेम्स बॉन्ड से बड़ा बॉन्ड है.
हमने अक्षय सर का भी इंटरव्यू किया. अक्षय जी बोले इसमें 3 इडियट आई थी, ये 32 इडियट है. कैसे आपने 32 इडियट्स को संभाला?
नहीं, इसका पूरा अगेन द एंटायर क्रेडिट गोज टू आवर डायरेक्टर मिस्टर अहमद खान. इतने लोगों को संभालना सेट पे, कभी कभी कुछ आर्टिस्ट होते थे जो सुबह 9 बजे आवे और सिर्फ 4 घंटा है, अब उसके बाद भी वो सीन में चाहिए, तो हाउ डू यू जस्टिफाई दैट? तो आपको कहीं पिक्चर में ये नहीं लगेगा कि इस सीन में अभी एक एक्टर था, अभी एक एक्टर नहीं है, ये शॉट में था, ये शॉट में नहीं है. दैट्स क्राफ्ट्समैनशिप एंड फोकस, डेडिकेशन एंड लेबर ऑफ मिस्टर अहमद खान. उन्होंने उस चीज़ को इतने जिम्मेदारी से किया कि आप क्रिएटिवली आप बोल ही नहीं पाएंगे, टेक्निकली आप बोल ही नहीं पाएंगे कि अरे अभी तो एक एक्टर यहाँ था, अभी क्यों नहीं है. तो हैंडलिंग 32 एक्टर्स, देयर स्टाफ, a unit of about 800-900 people every day, horses, horsemen, action men, dancers, plus a crew. I mean, sometimes we were 1,000+ people boots on the ground. 1,000 लोग सेट पे हैं और एक आदमी उनको संभाल रहा है. That is the director, Mr. Ahmed Khan. And when we put up that set of the village set, it was 43-44 degrees. तो उस धूप में इतने लोगों को संभालना एंड क्रिएटिवली जो आपने डिसाइड किया है वही गोल को अचीव करना, दैट्स वेरी कमेंडेबल. तो उसका भी क्रेडिट मिस्टर अहमद खान, एंड देन ही वाज एबली सपोर्टेड बाय परेश भाई, अक्षय जी एंड सुनील जी, एंड दीज 4 पीपल इज टू मेक श्योर दैट द होल स्टार कास्ट स्टेज टुगेदर.
हेरा फेरी का भी कुछ है न्यूज़ आपके पास?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली. द नेक्स्ट हेरा, वेरी सो.
ओपनिंग इसका लगने का है, कैसा पब्लिक के रिस्पांस है?
See, our effort, as you see in front of you, we are still putting out a new trailer till half an hour back. We can guarantee effort, not result. हमारे साइड से होना चाहिए कि हमने वो आपने कहावत सुनी, till my last breath. I don't subscribe to that. Till after my last breath. आखिरी सांस के बाद तक कोशिश चालू रहनी चाहिए. तो हम अभी भी एक नया ट्रेलर अभी हमने लॉन्च किया, which is like about half an hour back. And we hope that our work, effort, dedication, sincerity is appreciated, and that would reflect in the box office. So box office we cannot guarantee, effort we can, and that is the general norm in any part of the world where cinema is concerned.
एक फिल्म मेकर की एज अ प्रोड्यूसर क्या जिम्मेदारी है समाज के प्रति?
See, entertainment is a God-gifted talent or opportunity. Rather, the right word would be a God-gifted opportunity. Through movies, we can reach out to every strata of society. Eyes eat first. If the movie is good, it does not matter whether the movie is being shown in Mandarin language or Cantonese or French or Portugal or even silent movies. Why were Charlie Chaplin's movies even today milestones? They were silent movies. Eyes, this is the language. So, movies is the best way to reach out to people. The best. And especially if it's a family movie. Especially so. And through that medium, if you can reach out to people and in conscious way or unconscious way, create a difference in the way people think or they act, that is a blessing. So it's our moral responsibility to convey to the audience whatever best we can to improve and contribute from our side to the society at large. Where the word CSR is concerned, what you mentioned, according to me, CSR, not according to me, the world recognizes CSR as corporate social responsibility. I understand that meaning slightly. I understand that CSR word differently. For me, it's not corporate social responsibility. It is a citizen's social responsibility. Responsibility of each citizen towards other. एक नागरिक की जिम्मेदारी दूसरे नागरिक के प्रति, एक इंसान की जिम्मेदारी दूसरे इंसान के प्रति. तो through a citizen's social responsibility, we can do many things in terms of social awareness, whether it is environment or social awareness, kindness. We can actually impact lives, and the best way to impact lives is through family movies. Because when you go with a family, and if it's a happy movie, you come out feeling nice, you come out feeling positive.
All the very well.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
उधर लेंगे, जान पहचान नहीं है, कैसे उठाऊंगा? धोती मेरे दिमाग में एक स्कीम है, मैं सही चलता हूँ. ये सुबह से मेरा काइना आँख फड़क रहा है, तुम लोग जरूर करोड़पति बनेगा.
तो उधर क्या बोल रहा था? अगर तेरा दिमाग गर्म हो गया तो तू क्या कर लेगा?
एक बार अगर मेरा दिमाग गर्म हो गया ना, तो ठंडा भी फटाफट हो जाता है.
क्या क्या बनाया आपने? फेमस
लाल किला देखा?
लाल किला तूने बनाया तो कुतुब मीनार मैंने बनाया. बोल.
अभी हम जिंदा हैं.
बादशाह तू बेगम, मैं मिस्टर तू मैडम,
मैं ईस्ट तू आदम।
क्या बात यार तूने कह दी, दीवाने हुए हम।
मैं तुम्हारी कम की शर्म, तू डिगा डिगा मैं डम डम, तू रोमांटिक मैं आइटम,
तू फोटो में एल्बम, तेरे आगे सब पानी कम, तू इसकी तो मैं रम। क्या बात यार तूने कह दी, दीवाने हुए हम।
ओ मेरे बलम, काहे की शर्म, ओ मेरे बलम, काहे की शर्म, तू ताल तो मैं सरगम,
तू बादल मैं मौसम। क्या बात यार तूने कह दी, दीवाने
मैं तुम्हारी कम तुम्हारी कम। ओ मेरे बलम, काहे की शर्म, everybody come welcome.
Welcome to the jungle.
मेरा पैसा पैसा पैसा, इसका पैसा मेरा पैसा पैसा पैसा, उसका पैसा मेरा पैसा पैसा पैसा, सबका पैसा मेरा पैसा पैसा पैसा। तेरा पैसा मेरा पैसा पैसा पैसा, इसका पैसा मेरा पैसा पैसा पैसा, उसका पैसा मेरा पैसा पैसा पैसा, सबका पैसा मेरा पैसा पैसा पैसा।
मेरे पैसे को जो देखे पीट दूं मैं उसको लेके, कर लो चाहे जादू टोने, मुझसे ना ये